Folks, today I am at section 58. I am inside Pearl Heights Apartments. You can search that on Google so you see where I am exactly. And right here at Pearl Heights, I am presenting a one-bedroom Airbnb. This one is just perfect for a couple. So if you are two of you and your loved one, and you're coming to Nakuru, you're looking for a budget Airbnb one bedroom for you to stay there, well, this one I highly recommend. If you're also maybe single, you're on a one-person trip, you're looking for a place to stay as well, exactly, this one also fits. If you're in Nakuru na unataka tu mahali a hideout, maybe ukae fanya job yako ama ukae pale na mtu wako, mpumzike tu pale, exactly, this one bedroom Airbnb again is for you. So let's go inside and you have a look at it, and I also tell you about more amenities ambazo ziko hapa. Okay, kumbuka niko wapi? Section 58 Nakuru. Name is EZRA ONDARA, content creator based right here in the city of Nakuru. Let's go. Now turning around the camera, that is how Pearl Heights Apartments look like. So there are two blocks here. There is that block that is on the camera, and then there is this block here where we have our unit. And then on the other side, you see the greater section 58, even down to Lake Nakuru, but I will come there a bit later. So right here, ukikuja, you'll be given the password to those keys. The key itakuwa pale. So when you check in, you just open there, you enter the password, and you come into the home. And there we have it. This is our home, one bedroom, really cozy. And you can see you have a 5-seater couch right there, and a coffee table, just a compact coffee table. Like I said, this is a perfect unit for two, or even one. And then you have a dining area on that end, which can also serve as a workstation. In case you're coming for vacation, well, you can always set your laptop pale, and you continue with your work. So on that side, you can see massive window, natural light, and then of course the views, from that, towards that side as well, all the way to Lake Nakuru. I'll show you more views when we go to the rooftop up there. So we have our TV kule. I thought nilikuwa nime turn on, nimekuwa nimeweka YouTube ile moto. Let me just put it. Yep, there we have it. So I thought I had left it that way. It looks like I stayed outside for long until it went off. Exactly. So you have your entertainment pale, and dispenser on the left. You can see it right there. And so the kitchen area is on this end here. Okay, so first you have the fridge, just a compact fridge, and a compact 4-burner gas cooker. I love this concept. I've not seen a gas cooker made like this, so I really love it, So it's just compact and ideal for, a compact space like this one here. And yeah, kettle and more cabinetry up there for you to store your items. Maybe umekuja kupika pale jioni, so you need at least those spaces to keep your food stuff, and there is more spaces, small storage beneath the sink there. All right, so one more look at the lounge and the workstation on that end, your entertainment on that end as well, before we advance to the rest of the home. So those seats, they look really comfy. They not even look, apart from looking, they're pretty comfy as well. I sat on it when I came in. Yep, utaenjoy kweli kweli hata ukikuja hapa, sindio? Haya, now let's go this side tuone mengine. So right there you have that sink and a mirror, which tells you that the bath is just about here. So nimefungua mlango ya bathroom there, sharing na shower. You can see the shower head above, and then on the far end we have the toilet seat. There it is, right? And then Ezra, where is the bedroom? So turning like this, now we'll go to the bedroom. There it is. So just open. Yep, we have a massive bedroom here, you know, so that's a 5x6 bed, and you can see there is still ample room inside this bedroom. So it is known as Jamila Modern Homes. All right, that is your host, Jamila. Sawa sawa. So inside the bedroom, you can see we have 2 windows there for natural light, you know, during the day, which is important. Even at night, maybe when it's hot. Right now kumeanza kunyesha. During the hot season, even at night, unafungua tu pale, you get you enjoy the breeze kutoka nje, si ndio? So that is what you see from this window. And then on this other end, these are the views, you know, of section 58 from this side. And the tarmac actually comes right to this very apartment. Sawa sawa. All right, so now let me take you to the rooftop so that you get to see more of Nakuru. Jamila Modern Homes. Kitanda amekuwekea hapo mzuri ya kupumzika for a good night's sleep. Okay? Kitanda amekuwekea gani? Fiti kabisa, and then you have ample storage as you can see in those wardrobes pale. Wow, Jamila, unafanya kazi fiti, you know? Unafanya kazi fiti. So if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments and I will respond. So we have a balcony right here. We have a balcony here, you know, so it's looking. And ukitoka hivi nje, you can always come here and you punga upepo. You know, kwa kupunga upepo hapa. And actually from here, you see the neighborhood pale vizuri, and you also have views all the way to CBD, but you'll enjoy them better from the rooftop. So let's go to the rooftop there so that tuone vile mandhari yako huko section 58. There is Wi-Fi by the way. Okay, you can see internet na Wi-Fi pia iko, utapewa password. Hiyo moto tumeweka tu hapo for, you know, for aesthetics too, unaona, for the video appeal, lakini come and watch EZRA ONDARA TV on that screen. All right, let's go to the rooftop. I am a big fan of rooftops. I don't know about you, but living in an apartment where I can go to the rooftop and catch a cool breeze or just enjoy views of the surrounding, that is something that I love. So like I said, that tarmac road you're seeing there, it comes right to this very apartment. So when it comes to location, this is strategic. So the apartment also has ample parking, ground level parking, which is down there, you know, underneath the apartment block is where there is the parking area. On another side, you will enjoy views of Lake Nakuru down there, as you are seeing. Yep, that is the Lake Nakuru. Now, the rate for this 1 bedroom is 2,500 Kenya shillings, and I actually feel it is in the affordable range because these days many 1 bedroom Airbnbs in Nakuru, they start 3,000 going up, you know, even 3,500. I've seen another one for 4,000. So at 2,500 shillings, and it is at section 58, I feel it is actually on a budget. So come by running 0791 055 but better still, kindly just call the host direct. Call the host, the number is on the screen. Call the host direct and yeah, come for your stay here. So see you in the next one. Subscribe to the channel for more content from Nakuru. Haya.